Hello crafters, it is the last Saturday before Halloween, so I am gonna try out some pumpkin carving. I've never done this before because I come from Finland and when I grew up we didn't celebrate Halloween in Finland. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a go with the kids on Tuesday, but before I try it out with the kids I wanted to try it out on my own. If you've seen the sugar skull face painting video, I'm gonna continue with the same theme and I'm gonna try to make a sugar skull theme for the pumpkin. I'm gonna leave out the smaller details because I've seen online that they tend to get a little bit smudgy. So I'm gonna make like the eyes, the nose, teeth, the flowers and take it from there. Wish me luck. Let's see if this is gonna be an epic fail or a success. So let's get to it. Watching, and if you want to see more crafting videos, hit the subscribe button below and I will see you next week. Bye.